hairstyles that I think would be really cute for Valentine's Day. So we're gonna start with the victory rolls. I did the braids here, so I'll leave the tutorial. And then later on, we're going to be chatting about several different things. The Astro 100s, Rihanna's Super Bowl performance, and any other hot topics I think that will come up between now and when I'm filming. So we're gonna start with the victory rolls. So the victory rolls, y'all know me, I'm definitely like a classic hairstyle type of girl. So we're gonna do one victory roll here, and then we're gonna do another victory roll here. Let me go get my brush so you guys can see. And then let me know if y'all ever want me to do a makeup tutorial. I don't mind doing that too, but I gotta go where the money reside. And y'all love my commentaries, but y'all don't love my tutorials. Shade is thrown. All right, so you're gonna go through and part it at your ear. Get your dimming brush. This is mostly for the ends, okay? This is mostly for the ends, so. This is mostly for the ends, because it's not like, because it's not Kanekalon, it's gonna be a little bit, you know? These ends are trying to escape. Escape. I just want to say, oh, I'm about to get copyrighted. Stop, let me stop. Right here, and then you're just gonna loosen it up, and then you're going to pin it. You're going to pin it in place. Now, for you to hold it in place, for it to stay in place, you need to get, we're gonna say the nucleus of the braid, nucleus of the roll. So this is the nucleus of the roll because it's sliding. So you're gonna use this to basically anchor it in place. Now, of course, I'm gonna fix it off camera because, like I said, when I'm filming, like I'm like looking in the mirror and I'm looking at y'all. And because I ain't no punk, I'm gonna make eye contact. All right, you're gonna go through and then pin it in place. And then you make sure it's not that. And then you're gonna go and do the other side part at your crown just so it looks a little bit cleaner. Okay? Make sure you part it at your crown just so it looks a little bit cleaner. And I'll go in with this. I'm on my Little Mermaid. You know where she had the thingamabob? Anyway. And then bada bing bada ba, and then you're gonna add, and then I'm gonna pin it, and I'm gonna come right back. Ooh, it's stuck. Ta-da! It's really cute. It's giving upper class. I feel like I'm missing like a fur shawl or something. You see it? Let me go lower. It's so cute. Make a little piece fell out in the back. We're gonna loosen that. Boom, fixed. But yeah, let me do a little 360. Credit score just went up. It's giving, right? And then the other two hairstyles, I don't think I need a tutorial for that. The next one I have is like over the bangs, and then I have another like a French braid, but y'all know how to braid, so. But this one, I feel like I had to do a tutorial for this one because it's really, really cute. It's giving what it's supposed to give. It's so expensive. If you use this hairstyle, let me know in the comments because I know you will. It's adorable. Now let's talk about these shoes because everybody's talking about them. Let me tell you guys a simple concept in under 60 seconds about publicity. Mschf went and gave every celebrity known to man these shoes to promote them because they know that if it's one thing you guys will do, you guys will follow these celebrities to the T and try to copy them. Honestly, it's giving Astro boots. Here we go, that dang Coily Ray. As Button be saying, she styled them there. It's giving cosplay vibes, but like with Lil Wayne wearing them, I was crying. I'm sorry. I don't know what was going on. And then the thing that kills me with these Astro boots is that the shortest people are wearing them. And I'm just like, you're already cutting off half your length. But it's definitely giving, they gave it to these celebrities to promote, and it works because you guys are still, and I'm still talking about them. The boots are hideous. I just want to know, I want a reenactment time of how people got them on. I feel like you got to make a slit in the back for your ankle, but let's get into the main topic. Rihanna Fenty halftime Super Bowl performance. Okay. I don't know if you guys caught the game last night, but Rihanna came in the halftime show, which I truly feel like we need to, first off, Cheryl Lee Ralph, she killed it. Like, so you ever see somebody you're just so happy for them because they're finally getting the flower garden they deserve? Like, she's literally getting all the respect she's amassed throughout the decades. The original dream girl, Moesha's stepmama, basically auntie. But I'm glad she's getting all the accolades. She's getting all these awards, especially with her at Abba Elementary. A lot of people knew her as Abba Elementary, but we knew her, us old heads, we knew her as the original Dream Girls. I noticed that they had Babyface as well, singing some of the songs before the game started. Now, I know some people are quick to say, this was panda. I don't think it's pandering. I feel like it's giving where credit's due. Like Babyface, Cheryl Lee Ralph, and a couple other artists who performed as well. Like, these people have been doing this for so long. I know because I've been here. I've gone through puberty. I've gotten a degree. I got boobs, like I've gone through a lot of stuff, and these people are still here giving their flowers. So my overall grade or rating for Rihanna's performance, I feel like she did the medley of what we wanted. Like, there was a lot of songs that I was like, oh, is she gonna do this one? Is she gonna do that one? She did BBHM. She did Umbrella. She opened up with, since she opened up with BBHM, which is such a powerful song. So I think she did really good to open that up. I was looking for Woo. I might have missed it, but I was definitely looking for her to perform Woo. I feel like Woo is such a hard song. Like it brings me back to the times. But I've been a fan of Rihanna since she first came out back in 2007. Ooh. So for her to do Umbrella, I was so excited about that. I really feel like Umbrella was like the turning point of when like she really got famous. I feel like SOS album, Music of the Sun, Girl Like Me, I feel like those albums did well as too, but I feel like Umbrella was like when everybody started knowing, because we messed with her because for the Caribbean, with Haiti, Barbados, like we messed with her because like she was Caribbean, Pon de Replay. But I feel like with Pon de Replay, I feel like that would have been a classic song for her to do. Like I really liked her medley. Like I feel like she took like a survey and was like, I wonder what they want to hear me sing. The mic was on. I feel like she was just I could sense that she was very happy to be there, because sometimes I've seen people do Super Bowl performances and you can tell they're just like, I'm here so I won't get fined. But let's talk about the elephant in the room. Okay. All right. Let's be serious and know that she's a billionaire. So I'm going to say allegedly, because you ain't gonna sue me. I don't got no money. Okay, you hear that, student loans? I don't got no money. But allegedly she has a baby bump on the way. I feel like if it is true, because like I said, this is allegedly, you ain't gonna sue me. I ain't got no money to sue. If it is, I'm so happy for her. I really feel like she did the career. She did the career. She's still doing her career, and now she's having these babies relax. Which, like I said, like every girl's dream, regardless of the origin of the father, because I know y'all gonna start. But I feel like every girl's dream is just to have a relaxing pregnancy. Like literally, you don't have to worry about money. You don't have to worry about any type of stress. Because I feel like when you have to worry about money, no offense, but when you have to worry about money, the pregnancy Yelp review was a little low, because you're so pressed about, can I afford to do a checkup, doctor? Can I afford this? But I'm happy for her. Enjoy some Xtras. Flower transition. It's going to be a cute little transition to do for Valentine's Day. Clear hair. Definitely give my props just in case y'all use it. You're going to get some petals that you don't use a lot. And you want to make sure they're crinkled. Now, the next part you're going to do is you're going to make sure you're throwing it at the camera. Camera's on the left side. Okay? All right. So you see how it covered the camera lens at one point? And we're going to blow them back. And then you're just going to cut it off from where it's at.